Here's our rototiller. It's got an 8-horse Briggs on it. It doesn't run right now because it's being stupid. Hey, Ted. Had to come bug me while making this video, huh? Yeah. The Turf-Til. I don't know how wide it is. What does it say? There's a serial number. You can make anything out of that. Yeah. What are you doing, dog? You got a tick stuck to your face. You got 3 of them. What the heck's this? No, Ted, quit. Stop. Okay, just pulled out for you here. They're sucking your blood out. Teddy, quit. Come here. Yeah, that's right. Stop for a minute. Ted, quit. Quit moving your face around. Here's what a wood tick is. Whoa. Okay, dog, calm down. That is a wood tick. They're a lot smaller, and then when they suck blood, they get really big. I'll squish them for you. And that's what he looks like squished. Teddy, come here. Come here. Whoa, dog. Come here, Ted. Teddy, come here. Right now. Come here. Oh, you're okay. Simmer. Calm. Dogs, get out of here. You're knocking everything all stupid. Oh, you're bleeding a little bit. You pull this one out of your eyelash. No. Calm down. Calm. No. Hands out. No, Teddy. Calm. Collective. Ted. You little turd. They're all over your face. Is that better? Come here, Ted. Teddy, come here. Hey, buddy. Nice sniff. Whoa, get your big nose out of the camera.